Māori would not be Māori without the whenua, and that's like, how can we not sing a feel, sense, and sing about our environment? Ko te whenua, ko te whenua ko. Yeah. Tangata whenua.
Ki te kōtahi, te kākaho, ka whati, ki te kāpuia, e kore e whati.
We studied music at Auckland University. I was in my last year of the course and Charles was in his first year. I'd always loved his music and I asked him to open for my band. And I think it was kind of around then, like starting to, I don't know.
Enjoy each other's company,
just
really?
enjoy being around each other. And
Yeah, that's where it all started. And then since then, it's just, I think, organically done what it's done.
yeah.
While we were writing our first album, there were some things I felt myself naturally articulating in te reo Māori that I couldn't find words for in English. It's who I am. I think that's the short answer is like, it was only natural. People who know our work would see that there's a trend of referring to our taiao through our projects.
There's so much we can learn from it, from te taiao. Like, it's been a beautiful journey over our different projects that we've done. Like,
It's more the ngā kurahuna ki roto i ngā pūrākau nei. The hidden gems, the lessons from them is what we want to share.
Check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Good evening, everybody. Hello. Kia ora. You've all been invited because you've had a significant role to play in us being us, and in this thing being able to be what it is. Nō reire, mihi ana kia koutou katoa.
yeah, just so special to be able to share this piece of music with you tonight. So here we go.
The relevance of this WAIATA currently in our social and political climate here in Aotearoa reminds me of another tongikura in our WAIATA, Māhoe Patatē, and that is ki te kōtahi, te kākaho, ka whati, ki te kāpuia, e kore e whati. And I remember hearing it at Tūranga Waiwai, at the Hui a Motu, and at Waitangi Day as well. My hope for this WAIATA is that it does, it just really excites and inspires that kind of energy that makes us want to take care of our young ones, specifically the unique identity of Māori as tangata whenua ki Aotearoa.
Yo, yaki.
Like, being Pākehā myself but having Māori babies, I want them to grow up knowing who they are as tangata whenua and tangata te tiriti. And it's beautiful seeing how much of a stirring there is still constantly growing for the language.
The only other thing I would add is that the small steps count.
Yeah.
The little steps count.
Yeah,
even
absolutely.
if it feels like a slog, even if it feels like the whawhai, o te mea whawhai tonu ana tātou, that it's still going. Yeah, it counts. What little progress we make is still heading in the right direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.